Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on TLive, guys. You can do it easily by following these steps. Just open TLive. Then you can see there are many options. Click on your profile option at down right corner. Then you can see your profile option at top. Click on it. Then click on your profile picture. Then select any one method. Then select your picture, which you want to upload on your profile. Then click on Done option at top right corner. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily upload your profile picture on TLive.